Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code WS-116486-6 on PS5. Method 1. Check the PlayStation Network status page. Go to PlayStation Network service status on your browser. Check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as gaming and social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. If there are no issues or alerts, the problem may be on your end or your PS5 console. Method 2. Restore licenses. Going to the settings menu of your console. Go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Once done, try check if the error code WS-116486-6 is gone. Method 3. Update your system software in-game. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Just go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. Select Update using Internet and wait for the download and installation to complete. Method 4. Log out and log in again. Going to the Settings menu of your console. Go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Sign Out. Next, restart the PS5. Then sign in again. Then check if the error code WS-116486-6 is gone. Method 5. Power cycle the router. Turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 6. Change DNS and MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option. Depending on how you connect, it can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK. Then check if the error code WS-116486-6 is gone. If not working, one more time, come back here. After that, select MTU Settings. Select Manual. Select MTU, then change the value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. One more time. Check if the error code WS-116486-6 is gone. Method 7. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, Try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, etc. Then check if the error code is gone. Method 8. Rebuild the database. Turn off your PS5 console by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a second beep. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect your controller to the console with a USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. Go to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PS5 console. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix error code WS-116486-6. Finally, if none of the above methods work for you, then reset PS5, reinstall system software. This is a last resort, but it may be necessary if the error is caused by a corrupted system file. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.